Hey folks, how you doing? mKelson here today. Beautiful Junction City, Oregon, BISH'S RV. Great fall day to present to you 2018 Minnie Winnie. It's a 22R, and boy, it's got a lot of potential and a lot of beauty, and let's go in and see what it has to offer. You want to get away? This is the coach for you. Come on. Just want to hightail it out of town, coming on in here. It's a small little coach, no slides, but look at the room around this dinette right here. You can fit probably 6 people right here. You know, have a tailgating party, something like that. Man, I'll tell you, this would be a blast. If you don't like it like that, turn it like that if you want to eat a little bit more. Coming up here, you're going to have a little area that has the bed up there. So some more sleeping, 2 or 3 people can sleep up there. Do a little cooking right here. You got the 3-burner oven right there with the microwave. This comes equipped with the generator and everything you need for the power too. And you got nice cabinetry here, Nor-Cold refrigerator and freezer. Coming back here, look at the wardrobe in here. You can put a lot of clothes in there, or a lot of stuff if you go out on a trip and want to bring something home. Drawers down here, just a lot in this little coach. Back here is a bathroom. Nice shower. Ample room in there. Commode, sink, everything you need. Skylight up above for the light. Corner bed. Now this has one of those Tempur-Pedic mattresses, or at least the foam on top here, so it's very soft, but nice bed right here in the corner, very cozy, window to look out of, vent up above, storage right there, capability of putting another TV right there. Everything you would want in a small unit just to get out of town, have some fun. Now coming up front, you're going to see this is on a Ford chassis. It's got 42,975 miles on this coach right now. Came in on trade. It is an 18. It's got a 305 horsepower Ford V10 in this coach. Backup camera, nice upholstery, easy cleanup up here. The rubber mat in here allows you to wash it out, and you know, just it's very, very easy to get this out there and use it. I don't know what else is up here, but there's a lot of stuff. You'll have to come on in and look at it if you want to see the rest of the stuff. But come on outside, let's see what it has to offer. Beige coloring, black striping, and gold. Kind of nice. It is the Minnie Winnie. Automatic awning up above. Comes out for your tailgating party. Right here, if this is open, and it's not, you got some storage underneath that bed right there. Coming to the back, ladder, accessing the top. So you can get up there, look at your air conditioner, check the seals on the top of your motorhome. Just all of the maintenance items that you need to do up there. And again, right here, it's not open, but boy, there, take my word for it, there's a lot of space back there to store some stuff. 5,000-pound hitch right there. You do have the backup camera right there that we talked about. No slides on this coach, so there's nothing to go wrong with it. I mean, you just get in and go. You do have a Santa flush right there. Your tank fill right there. Your city water fill, your cable in. You've got your water heater. You got your suburban furnace right there. You do have your generator right down here. Very small, compact coach. You're gonna have no problems with this one, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. If you wanna come make a memory, give me a call. My name is mKelson. My number is 541-285-8791, or the BISH'S number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.